namba 30 in ECC level.
And I can confirm to you that the court is ready for the pre-trials. They have been tried elsewhere and they have succeeded. Just wait. Yes. Pre-trials will be under the control of the court. So if the defense has not supplied, we will make orders as the events evolve. Yes, because supply of documents is one of the reasons for the pre-trial. So let's do that after we resume, and I hope you'll appreciate.